Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Extension Services. If you're new here, I'm Lonis and this is Smart Extension Services. Here in Smart Extension Services, we normally provide the best livestock tips. So today I'm going to show you how to use a poultry feed grinder to make your own affordable nutrition chicken feed right back at home. Whether you're a small scale farmer or about to start, this will be a game changer. Chicken feed is one of the biggest expense in poultry farming. But did you know you can reduce your cost by 40% by grinding your own? You can also get to control the nutrition and use local available ingredients. When grinding feed ingredients, you require 60% maize, 20% sunflower or soya, 10% fish meal, 5% limestone, 5% premix or salt, and you can adjust this depending on whether you are feeding layers, broilers, or kienyeji. Poultry feed grinder is a machine that is used to grind the feed components or feed ingredients into small particles depending on the animals that you're going to feed or the kind of bird that you're going to feed in different stages. So we start with the hopper. Hopper is whereby you come and put your feeds ingredients and then go through the motor whereby they've been grinded and collected here. As in this case, we have the bucket whereby the feeds will be collected. You can use sack or you can use any collecting materials to collect the feeding stuffs after they have been grounded here in hopper stage. So we have different kind of sieves depending in which form that you want your poultry feeds to be. We have different sieves with different size of the holes. So if you want a very finer and powdery feeds, you can use this kind of sieve that has very tiny holes. And if you want a medium size feed stuffs, you can use this kind of the sieve. And also if you want large particles, you can use this kind of of the sieve. So depending in which form you want your feeds to be, you can use or you can choose different type of these feeds. So here is where the sieve is being fixed here below here. So you just open the screw and fix the sieve. So these are the parts of the poultry feeder or the poultry feed grinder. We have also different types of machines that you can use to compound your feed. If you want your feed to be in pellet form, you can use pellet machine. If you want your feed stuff to be in big particle, you can use the chopper. So these are the simple machines that every smallholder farmer can have in his farm or her farm to make or to compound the feeds. The poultry feed grinder uses different power sources. It can use electricity or petrol. Before you start, check it's clean and dry. And you can pour on your ingredients inside. It can grind faster, evenly, and produce finer feed suitable for all stages. To keep your grinder working well, clean it after every use, sharpen or replace blades when needed, keep it covered and dry to avoid rusts. I'm glad you have watched this video till this far. If you find it very helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart Extension Services. Leave all your questions at the comment section and I'd love to hear from you. What kind of feed do you make on your farm?